Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to warm up your fingers easily, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to learn how to warm up your fingers and you want to learn how to do it super easily, this is the video for you. I'll show you and tell you exactly how to do it in just a very short period of time. So I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. So here are my fingers, and if I wanted to warm them up, these are the steps that I would take. First and foremost, you can warm up the underside of your fingers, or we'll call it, I guess, the insides or maybe even the bottoms of your fingers by rubbing them together. So take your fingers like this and rub them together, just like that, okay? So you can rub them together. And that will warm up your fingers because you're creating a little bit of heat by rubbing your fingers together. You can also rub your hands together in general because you're gonna, by rubbing your hands together like this, my fingers are rubbing together also, in addition to the palms, and also that heat from the palms will also help warm up the fingers as well. So you can rub your hands together as well. That will work as well, okay? And it doesn't have to be, doesn't have to be super fast, okay? We're not trying to it's not the hand rubbing Olympics over here, okay? You can just do something like this, okay? Very simple. You can go up and down, side to side, circles, whatever works for you. Doesn't really matter, whatever works for you. And yeah, you don't want to use a lot of pressure. We're not using pressure, just very, very lightly. Very lightly, they're just grazing against each other, basically. Very simple. That's the first thing, okay? The next thing is you can warm up the sort of tops of your fingers, or I guess the outsides of your fingers, whatever you want to call it, by doing the same thing, but you're going to go, we're not going like this, right? We're going to go hand to hand. So I'm going to do the tops of these fingers here with this hand over here, just like this, okay? Any of these motions seem to work well, okay? And the same thing with the other one. Same thing. Just rub the tops of the fingers with the sort of underside of your other hand and your other fingers, okay? Very simple. And what you can do is you can combine those two. So by doing this or this, right, you're going to be warming up the underside of your hand, and then by going like this, you can transfer a lot of that warmth to the upper side or the top side of your fingers, right? So that's how to do it in terms of rubbing. And the last thing that you can do is you can use your breath, because your breath is going to be warm, right? So if I'm cold, in addition to the rubbing of my fingers, what I would do is I would utilize my breath. So in addition to the rubbing of the fingers, I would do something like this. And what that's going to do is that's going to use my warm breath to warm up my fingers. And yeah, you could say I did the sort of the underside, the top sides, I did my thumbs, and I did all of the tips of the fingers. And you could just, wherever your fingers are cold, you can use your breath to warm them up. And it's literally that simple. Those are the things that I would do if I had to warm up my fingers, and I figured that I would share them with you because maybe you can make use of them as well. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I've got nothing else to say and nothing else to show you. So with nothing else to say and nothing else to show you, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video. And I've said it way too many times. I've said that I'm going to say the outro and I'm going to roll the outro so many times. So seriously, I'm going to roll the outro now. Without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video. So I promise I'm not going to say it again. Here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.